This is the story of how Jesse sold two inherited double-wides on adjacent parcels in Piney Flats, Tennessee, couldn't list them on the MLS, didn't want to become a landlord, and got one clean exit. He inherited two places he didn't know what to do with, and Favor Home Solutions took both off his hands at once. Here's how it happened. Jesse didn't plan to become a property owner in Piney Flats, Tennessee. He inherited two double-wide mobile homes sitting on adjacent parcels, a situation that arrived without warning, without preparation, and with more complexity than he expected. The properties had been in the family, but neither was in a condition that made them straightforward to sell, rent, or simply walk away from. The double-wides had deteriorated to a point where they couldn't realistically be listed on the open market. Conventional buyers relying on financing weren't an option. Lenders typically won't approve mortgages on properties in that condition, and most listings for mobile homes already face a narrower buyer pool than site-built homes. The condition of Jesse's properties narrowed that pool further, to the point where a traditional listing wasn't a live option at all. And the second problem was the adjacent parcels themselves. Selling two properties on two separate pieces of land isn't a straightforward transaction even in ideal conditions. Jesse wasn't interested in managing the complexity of trying to sell each parcel independently, and he certainly wasn't interested in the alternative, holding the properties and becoming an accidental landlord managing two deteriorating double-wides he'd never intended to own. So he reached out to Favor Home Solutions. They buy inherited mobile homes and multi-parcel properties across Piney Flats and all of Tennessee, any condition, both properties at once with no repairs required. He explained the situation: two double-wides, adjacent parcels, inherited condition, and a need to resolve both in a single transaction if possible. The fact that there were two adjacent properties made it a single deal, not two separate headaches. From there, it was one clean exit. First, Favor Home Solutions made a cash offer covering both parcels and both structures in their current, as his condition. Then, Jesse didn't need to repair anything, clear anything out, or manage two separate closing timelines. And finally, both properties closed together, one transaction done. Here's what Jesse walked away with. Both double-wides sold completely as is, deteriorated, mobile homes and all, with nothing to fix or clear out. It was one transaction, not two, both parcels resolved in a single closing. And the landlord future was avoided, no accidental property management he never signed up for. Look at the numbers. Two parcels resolved in one deal. 0 repairs and 0 cleanouts required. Favor Home Solutions handled the mobile home titles and took both properties exactly as they stood. And an inherited situation Jesse never chose simply lifted. No figuring out how to sell a deteriorated mobile home. No two separate listings, inspections, and closings to juggle. No becoming a reluctant landlord over two properties he never wanted. The complexity that had arrived without warning was gone in a single transaction. The result: Jesse walked away from an inherited situation he hadn't chosen, without taking on the ongoing obligations of landlord responsibilities he didn't want, both properties off his hands at once. Maybe Jesse's situation sounds familiar. We help Tennessee heirs in all kinds of circumstances: an inherited mobile home or double-wide multiple parcels to resolve, a property too deteriorated for the MLS, no desire to become a landlord, any condition, or simply needing a clean exit. If you've inherited a mobile home, double-wide, or multiple properties in Piney Flats or anywhere across Tennessee, Favor Home Solutions can help. As is any condition, both at once, no repairs, a fair cash offer, and a clean exit on your timeline. Reach out today for your free, no-obligation cash offer.